everyone. I'm Pakupaku-chan.
Hey, did you see me just now?
I was gobbling my food.
Tickle, tickle, hey.
I can eat anything. Oh. Did you know something super interesting about me? My body is actually made of paper. Even crumpled paper is still paper. But since I'm made of paper, I might tear while playing.
That tickles. That would be so sad. What should we do?
Don't worry. If I get a little tear, we can just fix it with tape. Easy peasy. No need to worry, even if it's windy. Let's make our own Pakupaku-chan. First, get some craft paper. Now crumple it into a big ball. Squish, squish. Open it up, then crumple it again. Let's make it soft and fluffy. Slowly open it. Oh, is it nice and soft now? Next, roll one side of the paper toward the middle. Then roll the other side too. Now twist the ends. Twist, twist. Twist the other side as well. Use some tape to secure the twisted part. Wrap it around carefully. Great job. Do the same on the other side. Now for the fun part, put your finger inside the middle and open it up. Open, close, open, close. Wow! It looks like a little mouth. Pakupaku-chan is coming to life. Let's add a face. Time to draw the eyes. Pick your favorite crayon color. Blue. Once you're done, use a little tape to keep everything nice and secure. Decorate time. Now let's make Pakupaku-chan super stylish. Tear up some colorful origami paper and stick it on. Make your Pakupaku-chan as cute, funny, or silly as you like. Bonus fun. Here's a secret trick. If you curl up some paper strip, it turns into food for Pakupaku-chan. So yummy! How did your Pakupaku-chan turn out? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and creative adventures.